The checkpoint is presented by GM Pharma, the first international multinational pharmaceutical company in Georgia. GM Pharma, to serve those who need it most.
LLC Capital opened a new 4-star cozy loft hotel in Batumi in cooperation with Basis Bank. The total cost of the project is 2 million lari, of which 1.5 million lari was provided by the bank. A 25-room hotel features a restaurant, a wine cellar, a lounge bar with terraces and a conference hall. The infrastructure is adapted for people with disabilities. The hotel has beautiful views on the city and the sea. Our hotel has a perfect location for guests. I would like to see many more similar projects implemented in our region to boost the tourism further, said Edisher Kakabadze, the owner of the hotel. According to Kirke Gabunia, commercial director of Basis Bank, the bank actively supports development of the hotel industry in Batumi. As a result, the city will have another hotel. Anna Dolaberidze, co-founder of Georgian clothing and accessories sales platform Phubber, says the company is planning to create an authentication hub in Georgia. According to her, the new authentication hub will be launched from autumn. In addition, co-founder of Phubber notes that the platform will open a showroom in Baku, while the company will enter Armenian market as an online platform. The company also considers entering Bulgarian and Romanian markets. As Anna Dolaberidze explains, that the biggest challenge for the company was the Russia-Ukraine war. As she notes, Phubber still remains in Ukraine, but they see that the population still lacks purchasing power. Phubber is the largest online clothing and accessories store in Georgia, launched in 2019. The platform has over 200,000 registered users from Georgia alone. Today, more than 800 designers and brands are presented on the platform. The Georgian coffee house Erti Kava is planning to open a processing plant and a training center in one space in Tbilisi. In an interview with Forbes Georgia, the founders of company Ksenia Markovskaya and Tanya Merzla note that the first branch of the coffee house Erti Kava was opened in Mestia in 2017. The partners started business by investing $10,000 USD in the mountainous region of Georgia. According to Erti Kava, one flagship branch will be added to the chain this year, which will combine a coffee roasting plant and a staff training center. The project worth of 1 million USD is planned to be implemented in Tbilisi, and it will be located on 1,000 square meters. The total production capacity of the coffee roasting plant will be over 20 tons per month. Georgian company Malenta, which produces vegan jelly sauces, is planning to export. The founder of the company, Mari Kvernadze, spoke about this in an interview with BM.G. Malenta has been operating on the market for 6-8 months and offers customers jelly sauces made on the basis of vegetables and fruits. Speaking about the future plans, Mari Kvernadze notes that the company plans to expand the product range from the summer, and berry jelly sauces will be added to their product line. The company produces over 5,000 canned vegan sauces per month. The company employs 5 people. Products are sold on the platforms as well as Goodwill and Agro Boutique Farm. Giorgi Sekhniadze, the founder of tea-producing company Usharo, said that the company had to increase the product price by 20% because the labor force as well as packaging materials and transportation became more expensive. Giorgi Sekhniadze also spoke about the challenges and noted that the sales decreased compared to the previous year due to the lack of state festivals in recent years. As for the future plans, the company plans to add vodka flavored with various herbs and gems. To shut its small family production, Usharo appeared in 2016 and offers customers 5 types of tea, 3 types of German spices. The price of branded tea amounts to 12 lari. Usharo also owns an agro cafe in Tusheti, where guests are served tea, gems and various spices. The Georgian accessories brand Ninutsa, which creates various jewelry from natural stones, materials, river and ocean cultured pearls and natural leather, plans to open its own sales spaces. Speaking about the future plans of the brand, its founder and designer Ninutsa told BMW that it's planned to reopen the stands closed during the pandemic. As she notes, the brand is working completely online and makes deliveries or offers customers takeaway services from their workshop. According to her, Georgia is not the only market where Ninutsa accessories are sold. As she notes, their products are already presented in one of famous salons in Brooklyn, New York, as well as in Azerbaijan and Russia. The price of jewelry starts from 35 lari and reaches 300 lari. Georgian brand Kirke, a manufacturer of soaps and cosmetics, is planning to expand the enterprise. Its founder, Nana Tavkhelidze, spoke about the company's future plans with BMG. According to her, she is looking for a grant to expand the enterprise located on 20 square meters. As Nana Tavkhelidze notes, she won a grant of 20,000 lari from Enterprise Georgia and opened current plant. As for the exports, according to the founder, it's very difficult to sell handmade soaps abroad because there are no special laboratories in Georgia which will make certification of the products. Kirke products are sold online. Facebook page. The price of handmade soaps ranges from 15 lari to 20 lari, and the maximum price of cosmetics and personal care products amounts to 60 lari. The Georgian company Muline, a manufacturer of silk scarves, is working on setting up sales spaces. Its founder, Mako Imedashvili, talks about the brand's future plans with BMW. According to the founder, Muline plans to increase exports in 2023 as there is a high demand for Georgian-themed scarves from foreigners. As Mako Imedashvili notes, their scarves are already exported to the USA and France. Muline employs 4 or 5 people at this stage and produces over 1,000 pieces of scarves per month. Tekla Talakwadze, marketing manager company Sandomi, said the company product price increased by 8% due to the expensive raw materials. The head of marketing also talks about the competition from imported sweets in the market. According to her, despite that the volume of imported products has decreased recently, local enterprises still find it difficult to compete. Imported goods don't always mean high quality. They are both high quality and low quality products on the market, the price of which is quite low. So it's very difficult for us to compete with them, said Tekla Talakwadze.